Nasa banyo.
She's on the popo house.
Nasa banyo ko. Naughty one. Yeah. Nasa banyo ko. Nagbro-brush siya ng teeth. While me is nagpupo. Yeah. Ito ang tunay na nagmamahal. Pupo ako while nagbrush siya sa iyang teeth.
With a stinky bum, yeah?
Kibab.
Stinky bum, yeah? Oh,
It's okay.
terrible, terrible. Smell not good, eh?
What a naughty husband, yeah? Talaga naman, oh, nasa bathroom ako. Talagang nag-ano siya dito. Nag-brush. Walang magawa. We are bored, guys. Di pa siya lumabas, guys. Di pa lumabas. Parang 1 hour na ako dito sa CR. Dito na yata ako matulog, guys. So, uutusan ko yung husband ko kung mautusan ba. So, guys.
Yeah.
Come. Give me the sabon. Give me the sabon.
Give me some more. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Give me a towel also. I forgot. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, but I forgot one other thing, okay?
No, I forgot it.
This one. Fill this one with water. Okay?
Make it mo. Yala, go.
Fill this
Go.
one.
Ang bait talaga ng hubby ko, guys, no? Ang bait. Wala akong masabi. Guys, that's all for tonight. So, success, guys. Success, ha?
Are you sure that's all?
Yeah, success. 2 times in the bathroom. Good for 2 hours. Bye-bye.